Hello everyone, and welcome back to CarOg 765. If you love classic American vehicles, vintage campers, and timeless road trip legends, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a journey back to the early 1970s to explore one of the most charming vintage motorhomes ever built, the 1973 Shasta Motorhome. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to CarOg 765 and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos about classic cars, vintage RVs, and automotive history. The 1973 Shasta Motorhome represents a golden era of American travel when families dreamed of exploring the open road with all the comforts of home. During the 1970s, road trips became a favorite way to spend vacations, and Shasta had already earned a strong reputation for building dependable and stylish travel trailers. The company expanded its vision by producing motorhomes that combined practical living space with reliable mechanical foundations, giving travelers the freedom to explore the country without sacrificing comfort. One of the first things you'll notice about the 1973 Shasta Motorhome is its unmistakable vintage appearance. The large front windshield, bold body lines, chrome accents, and colorful striping perfectly capture the design trends of the early 70s. Many examples featured bright exterior colors such as white, orange, brown, or green, making them stand out wherever they traveled. Even today, a well-restored Shasta Motorhome attracts attention at RV shows, classic vehicle events, and campgrounds. Most 1973 Shasta motorhomes were built on dependable American chassis supplied by manufacturers such as Chevrolet or Dodge. These chassis were equipped with large V8 gasoline engines designed to provide enough power for long-distance travel. While fuel economy was never their strongest feature, these powerful engines delivered the strength needed to move a fully equipped motorhome across highways, mountains, and scenic countryside. Their simple mechanical design also makes maintenance easier compared to many modern vehicles, especially for enthusiasts who enjoy working on classic machines. Step inside the 1973 Shasta Motorhome, and you'll discover a surprisingly comfortable living space. The interior was carefully designed to maximize every inch of available room. Depending on the floor plan, owners could enjoy a dining area that converted into a bed, comfortable seating, overhead storage cabinets, a compact kitchen, and a sleeping area for family members. Many models also included a small bathroom with a toilet, sink, and shower, allowing travelers to remain self-sufficient during extended adventures. The kitchen was one of the highlights of the Shasta Motorhome. It usually featured a stove, oven, refrigerator, sink, and plenty of cabinet space for cooking essentials. Families could prepare meals at beautiful campsites instead of relying on restaurants, making every road trip both affordable and memorable. Large windows filled the cabin with natural light and allowed passengers to enjoy breathtaking views while parked near lakes, forests, or national parks. What truly made the 1973 Shasta Motorhome special was its ability to bring people together. Parents, children, and friends could travel comfortably while creating unforgettable memories along the way. Whether spending weekends at local campgrounds or taking cross-country vacations, this motorhome became more than just a vehicle. It became a home filled with stories, laughter, and adventure. Today, the 1973 Shasta Motorhome has become a highly desirable collectible among vintage RV enthusiasts. Many owners invest countless hours restoring these classic motorhomes to their original glory, preserving their authentic interiors, exterior paint, and classic mechanical components. Others choose tasteful modern upgrades such as improved electrical systems, solar panels, modern refrigerators, and comfortable mattresses while maintaining the vehicle's timeless appearance. Driving a vintage Shasta is a completely different experience from driving a modern RV. It encourages a slower pace, allowing travelers to appreciate scenic highways, small towns, and hidden destinations that are often overlooked. Every mile becomes part of the adventure, and every stop creates another lasting memory. Collectors also appreciate the craftsmanship found in these motorhomes. Solid cabinetry, durable construction, and thoughtful layouts demonstrate the quality standards of their time. Many restored examples continue to serve their owners more than 50 years after they first left the factory, proving that good design and careful maintenance can stand the test of time. The 1973 Shasta Motorhome reminds us that travel isn't always about reaching the destination as quickly as possible. Instead, it's about enjoying every moment of the journey, meeting new people, discovering beautiful places, and experiencing the freedom that only the open road can provide. Its classic styling, dependable engineering, and welcoming interior continue to inspire RV enthusiasts across generations. Even after decades, the 1973 Shasta Motorhome remains an icon of American road travel. It represents adventure, family togetherness, and the timeless dream of exploring without limits. Whether you're a collector, a vintage RV enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates automotive history, this classic motorhome deserves admiration for its lasting impact and unforgettable character. Thank you for watching this video on Car AUG 765. If you enjoyed learning about the legendary 1973 Shasta Motorhome, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment sharing your favorite vintage RV, and subscribe to Car AUG 765 for more exciting stories about classic cars, vintage motorhomes, and legendary American vehicles. We'll see you in the next adventure.